In this HTML video, we're going to be talking about text. More specifically though, styling our text. So let's make a paragraph that we're going to style. I'm strong, but I don't have anything to lift. So normal text, nothing crazy here. What we can do though is we can make things stand out. So for the strong word, we can actually use a strong tag. And you can see it changing on the side over there. But a strong tag is just bold. So to make something bold, we do strong. Surround it with an opening and a closing. And you can do it over multiple words too, or a whole line of text. Another thing that we can do is we can emphasize something, like italics. So EM is how we do emphasis, or italics. So there we have anything. Another thing that we can do is we can mark text so we can highlight it. So we can do a mark and mark. And that'll make it highlighted. And the last thing we can do is we can underline it using U. U. So there we go. Those are the four most common things that we can do to our text. Now, just as a little side note here, normally we don't style our text in the HTML. We try to keep the two things separate. And we can do that. I'll go into more detail about how to do it later on, but I want you guys to see or just know that these things exist. So if you want to do underline in your CSS, in the style sheet, you do font, style, and then, actually no, for underline you do text decoration, and it's just underline. So that would get rid of the U, or that would replace that. For strong, we do font weight, and it can be bold, it could be normal, it could be lighter, it could be bolder. Could also be a number between 100 and 900, but only on the centuries, so 100, 200, 300, 400, and so on. Where 100's thinner, 900's really bold. So that's your font weight that replaces strong. Then we have emphasis. We can do font style, and then we can do italic. So that's our emphasis. And then the last thing we can do is we can do, for our highlighting, we can just set the background color. You can do that through background or background-color. And then you can do like yellow. And that would replace your mark.